23-year-old makeup artist lost her life at home in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 23-year-old Clarendon woman was gunned down in Sheffield's district near Westmoreland on Sunday. She has been identified as Moesha Heath, a makeup artist of a Maypen address. Links 007 TV News understand that Heath had recently relocated to Negril to live with her boyfriend. Reports from the Negril police are that at about 5:50 p.m., Heath was in the process of exiting her motor vehicle when she was approached by three men coming from the rear of her house. The men subsequently opened fire, hitting her. The police were summoned, and on arrival, Heath was seen on her back with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the upper part of her body. She was transported to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. The other occupants that was inside the motor vehicle with the female managed to escape. No motive has yet been established for this latest shooting. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.